Today I'll teach you guys how to find your archived chat on Telegram. It's pretty simple. So when you open Telegram and you have archived some chat, then it's going to show you at the top. So for an example, nothing is being shown over here because I haven't archived anything. So I'm going to archive a chat just for your example. So I'm going to archive my contact with Iman Gadzi. So I will just swipe right on its name and click on archive. The moment he's archived at the top, this new thing called archive chat appears. And I can archive however many people I want. All the people are going to be stored on this archive chats option. Now in order to see the archived chats, I can click on archive chats. As you guys can see, all the people which I just archived is being shown over here. Now in order to remove these people from archive, it's the same thing. Just swipe right and they will be unarchived. Swipe right, click on unarchive. Swipe right, click on unarchive. And if you don't have anybody archived on your Telegram, then nothing is going to be shown over here. You need to have at least one chat archived in order for this archived chat option to appear at the top, alright? So that's how you guys can find your archived chat on Telegram. So if you guys found our video helpful on how you guys can archive chat, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Telegram related videos just like this. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then.